Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Express. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. Now here on the search bar, search here Adobe Creative Cloud. Now here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed it, in your case this will show as install. So I am opening it. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is launched. Now inside this, search here Adobe Express. So here you can see Adobe Express is showing. Now click on this. So here you can see Adobe Express is launching. So this is how you can use Adobe Express absolutely for free. So here you can see Adobe Express is launched and you can start designing or creating anything quickly and easily. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.